Here we go. We always start with that. Who didn't silent their phone? Hi, I'm Tim Ardell, CEO of Multiquip. I've been in this role for about 90 days now, and it's brought some significant challenges as we've gone through, changes in the marketplace, and also, a big challenge of following a leader like Bob Graydon. Bob was established in Multiquip for a long time, had a very successful tenure. However, my 35 years in the rental industry, combined with 20 years of that here at Multiquip, has well prepared me for this challenge. We just completed two of the most successful years in the company due to the post-COVID influx of business that occurred. It brought a lot of challenges and a lot of things that we had to do to change in order to meet the demands and the needs of our customers. As we go into this next phase, things are getting back to normal. Demand is changing. We're getting back to a more seasonal approach to business, more demand-driven. But the changes we made during those last 2 years have really put us in a good position to succeed now and into the future. The changes we've made will allow us to meet the timelines that you, the customer, have in the marketplace. That's really the biggest challenge that we had over the last 2 years. Demand was so high, it outstripped the supply. That made it very difficult for you to conduct your business and supply what you needed to your customers. We don't want to repeat that again. So the things that we're doing will add additional throughput, shorten the lead times for us, and give you the equipment that you need when you need it. Some of the things that we have done are significant changes at our Boise facility as well as our Lewisville, Texas facility. So Boise specifically is concrete equipment. It's been very, very popular over the last couple of years and will continue, especially with the onslaught of mega projects that we see out here in the marketplace. We will be able to produce more in the ride-on trowel line. In addition to increased throughput in Boise, we're also working on several new design trowels that will enable us to move into the future and continue to find more efficient and effective ways for you to finish concrete. Lewisville, Texas is our primary generator production facility. We take products made at DMC in Kentucky and we modify that to customer needs and specifications. It's very time consuming to make all the changes to the products that you, the customers, require out there in the marketplace. It's something we want to continue to do. It's one of our strengths and something that you require in order to have the most successful business out there. However, the number of modifications, the time it takes to modify are all growing, which puts strains on our ability to get it out the door. So the changes we're making, adding production lines, adding personnel, increasing our throughput and ability to do those modifications and get you product in a more timely manner. So a lot of times I'm asked, what makes Multiquip different? Why should I buy from Multiquip? Everybody sells equipment and everybody sells pretty decent equipment out there. But what differentiates us on a regular basis is what we do after the sale. Our service and support is second to none. We've got a team of field service managers out there that are working directly with our customers and the end users to make sure that the equipment is functioning correctly, operating, and taking care of any problems that you might have. We've also developed some new initiatives and strategies as we go into the future, revolving around service and support. Our Service Plus program that we've developed gives you MQ factory trained service personnel that are able to come out to your location or job site and diagnose and work on your products. Get them back up and running and ready to go for your next job. This is something that has become more and more critical in the industry as labor has become a bigger issue. Finding technicians has always been a challenge, but it's even been a bigger challenge over the last few years. So we want to address that and try to make the life of our customers and their customers easier and allow them to get their jobs done in a more effective way. In addition to that, we've really put a lot of effort and time into growing our parts, warehouses, and initiatives that we have on there. Not just standard parts, to be able to have something that breaks down and be able to handle that. You expect that from us, and we want to make sure that we get those parts out as quickly and efficiently to you as possible. The real big change that we've made comes with our maintenance kits that we've developed. These are from anything from a rammer kit all the way up to our largest generators. And what it does is provide you your preventive maintenance kits in a form that's easy for you to get, stock, keep on your shelf, and most importantly, reorder when you need to reorder it. You don't have to reorder 5 different filters. You order one part number, it's shipped to you, you're able to get your job done and do it. These are also things that we will keep on our trucks at all times to be able to do service work for you as well. Our Service Plus team goes out and does not only just do repairs and repair work, they're also able to do maintenance for you. If you're unable to get to a job site or you just need assistance at your rental yard to get units out ready for a big job, we're there for you to help you. Another key addition to the Multiquip line has been the addition of Icon, which Icon, when you look at it from the outside, is a telematic system. People always look at it, yeah, it does that. It tells you your location and if it's moving and if it's on and off. But that's only the very basic side of what Icon does. Icon is much, much more. Icon is a tool that actually allows you to engage in fleet management with your product. It allows you to see everything going on there. It is the most unique product out there on power generation because it not only gives you the standard engine features and functions that you have on pretty much everything out there, Icon gives you the electrical data. You can tell what's going on with the machines. It really is important when you're looking at sizing of machines. Also very important when you look at what happens or what causes a failure on a job site. You get a look at your machine and see faults and other things that are happening before they shut down. Normally in your job you only see things after it breaks and you have to fix it. We want to prevent that from happening. Icon allows you to do that and see that on a regular basis. Anybody can sell you a piece of equipment. It's only certain companies that can really make you feel comfortable buying that equipment and make you want to buy that equipment. Give you many more reasons besides just the fact that your product was cheaper than somebody else's or perceived as a better unit at the time. At Multiquip, what we strive to do every day is build relationships with our customers. We look at our business as a partnership, not as a customer-supplier relationship. It's truly a partnership. How can we help you drive your success in the marketplace? It's the most important thing for us every day. We do that by building trust, by being available to you. Look at the longevity of the employees here at Multiquip that we have. It's a huge resource that we have as our people, and we don't swap them out every day. Our people are always there for you when you need them most. It's easy to do a job when everybody's happy. It's when somebody is having a hard time, it's when they're upset that we really stand out. Our entire team of sales and inside sales, our entire support team here at Multiquip, and especially our field service team is always there for you when you need them. And that's really the important thing as we go forward. Multiquip will never change on that. We will continue to evolve that and provide you those additional services that you're looking for that help make your life easier. So the future as we move forward really becomes a greener future. How do we transition from fossil fuels into green alternatives? What makes sense for the industry? What makes sense for you individually in different markets that we have out there for different products? One size is not going to fit all. We've already started down this road with our MQ0 program. We've got rammers, plates, and some other equipment that's starting off in that battery world. We're looking at other things in power generation as well that will lead us down that road. But there is no one answer at this particular point in time. It will be application-based. It'll be job-based. And we need to recognize that as we go forward. And most importantly, really, is it has to be financially smart. We can invent a lot of things. We can come up with a lot of stuff out there. But if it doesn't make sense to put into your fleets and for you to own, it's not going to help you out much. Our industry continues to grow and evolve. We will continue to grow and evolve with it. We'll do everything in our power to stay one step ahead and provide you with what you need to get the job done. Thank you for being our customer, our partner, and giving us the opportunity to serve you as we both travel down this road together into the future.